Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to export GIF from Adobe Animate CC. Here we have our project open, and this is something I made for Valentine's Day. I hope you like it. Okay, so let's move on and export this to GIF. You need to go to File, Export, Export Animated GIF. This is the export window. Guys, there's not really much to play with the settings here, but do take a note of these settings here. If in case your export window pops up with a different setting, and just click on the save button. Choose when you need to save the file. I'll name it, let's say, heart. Save type is GIF. Save. All right, then let's check our GIF. Here it is. Here you go, guys. This is how you export a GIF from Adobe Animate CC. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.